來看即馬全球上屆少年的設計師呢，是美國10歲的麥克斯亞歷山大。伊佇今年3月時，佇法國巴黎的時裝週來舉辦伊的個人秀，對伊的作品是會當看到一寡真趣味的環保的理念。
無論是展現腰身的裙、幼路的鞋啊、水當當的禮服，也是外套，自青笑到青翠的色水，無講你唔知，這攏是一個敢若10歲的設計師設計出來。佇上尾啊，行出來，這個囡仔兄就是品牌設計師亞歷山大，這是伊頭一屆徛起哩巴黎時裝週的舞台。第7歲時，伊就正做上屆少年的設計師，拍破金氏世界紀錄。
When everybody started clapping when I came out, it was very fun. It wasn't scary for me. I was like, oh, like all these people appreciate me, and I should be very grateful for that.
講話看起來也閣真有氣，也毋過伊啥物攏無咧驚。目前佇巴黎歌劇院發表15輸秋冬的新衫，展現囡仔的創意，也閣優雅的設計。訪問到當時開始對設計衫有興趣，亞歷山大的應話嘛真正足囡仔款。
So I started at the age of 4 designing, but I don't know how it started. I'm probably guessing I just said it. That's what my parents say.
工作室內底放各種的家私，也閣有一身閣一身的模型。一細粒子的亞歷山大看起來像咧辦高血同款，也毋過坐佇車頭前，腳踏落開始車衫，看起來這辦勢就完全無同款啊。媽媽花 Instagram 的口罩已經超過700萬人追蹤，好萊塢的藝人戴米摩爾，也閣有珍妮佛羅培茲，攏有追蹤伊的笑號。沙朗史東閣更加主動穿伊設計的衫。亞歷山大毋但是真愛設計衫，伊對環境嘛真關心。細細漢仔就意識到快時尚對環境造成真大的傷害。
I really hope that like more people see the cause of what they are doing, and how fast fashion is also littering our planet. Other than pollution and like plastic in our oceans, that's also a big deal.
公視新聞張淑芬編譯。